Oh my goodness, we're literally the only ones here on this Dumbo. Oh my goodness, look, Marissa and Eliana, whoa, are up there.
I'm going up and down, Daddy.
Go up, Harrison, all the way up. Harrison, all the way up.
I'm trying.
We're literally the only ones. There's nobody on this Dumbo. Look, there's Eliana. Look, there's Mom right there. This is awesome. All right, good morning. Happy Thursday morning. Today is day one of our Disney park experience. We had Magic Kingdom this morning. We logged in this morning at 7 a.m. Actually, I was up at midnight trying to buy Genie Plus, but the crowd shouldn't be too big today, so hoping that we get in a lot of rides today. But we got Peter Pan, which is our first Genie Plus reservation, and it's at 10:40. So heading over to the lines for Magic Kingdom right now, and hopefully we get in there pretty quick. But it's about 7:15. Yeah, 7:15 right now. Bus will start at 7:30. Good morning. We are finally inside the gates, and guess where we are at? Look, we're at the Magic Kingdom. So we take some pictures. We have early entry. It's actually it's a little before 8. Opens at 8:30 for us. We got Peter Pan today this morning. So great time for all the people to take pictures with the castle, because there's like nobody here. Everybody's back there.
Okay, but we won't go through it. We just can't go in it, okay?
Great time to take pictures, but nobody is right there in front of the castle. Man, they opened up that line and whoa, everybody just like, you gotta start moving or they get trampled. Anyways, they're all going to Seven Dwarfs. We're gonna do our traditional first ride, which is Harrison's favorite. Oh, squirrel! All right, headed to Dumbo. Oh my goodness, we're the first ones on the ride. Harrison, we're the first ones, the very first ones on Dumbo this morning. All right, we're starting early. Harrison's first roller coaster of the day. We're doing Goofy. All right, got him?
Yeah.
Ready, buddy? Mm-hmm. Here we go. Here, look, tell him right here, you're ready. Look up here. Tell him you're ready, right here.
I'm ready!
All right, here we go. They had us all line up and they had a single file all the way out there. So, all right, man. All right, so I got the gas. Harrison's driving, buddy. You ready?
Yes.
You got to look. Can you see over the wheel? I don't know if you can see over the wheel. right, Harrison, ready? Here we go. Hey, keep it straight, buddy. Oh man, I think this is gonna be a bumpy ride. Oh. Well, just get, look, you gotta look, see, look straight. Good job, buddy. You're keeping it straight. We can't pass them, buddy. We're on a track. Hey, tell everybody you're driving.
I'm driving, guys.
Oh no. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, here's. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Check out Tron. That's gonna be awesome when they finish it. Hey, eyes on the road, buddy! Eyes on the road!
I'm sorry, Daddy. Yeah. I'm trying to keep it straight and not letting me.
Because you keep spinning the wheel. Oh, Harrison! Oh my goodness! Oh wow! Oh! Eliana's in front of us. She's doing pretty good. Oh, no, maybe not that one. Oh, there she goes again. Oh, oh! Eliana's having a hard time too.
Gotta get you guys!
Now, standby entrance for Space Mountain is 20 minutes. I think Marissa's gonna go on the People Mover or do some shopping with the kids, and I'm gonna knock out a big ride. Now, because Harrison, as much as he loves roller coasters, I think it's just a little bit too small for this one. All right, it's finally time for some breakfast. We were at Buzz Lightyear and we did mobile order. We got this waffle with chocolate, Nutella, bananas, and strawberries and blueberries. And then Marissa got a waffle and it's so yummy the last time we were here. So we're gonna head over to Sleepy Hollow, get some breakfast, and then we'll probably knock out some rides on that side. So far, it's only been a little over an hour. Actually, we've been here, a little over an hour, and we've already knocked out a lot of rides. All right, so the carousel is 5 minutes. Marissa says our Lightning Lane, or our Genie Plus reservation, our first one today is for 10:40, so that gives us 15 minutes, and it's a Small World is 5 minutes. So we're gonna do this one. Marissa's gonna try not to get sick on the carousel, especially since we just ate breakfast. And then we'll do Peter Pan, and then we'll see what to do. But the wait times are pretty much all under like 30 minutes for everything so far. So we actually might do a Genie Plus for the princesses to get that later in the day. But we do have be our guest at 4 o'clock tonight too, dinner reservation. done with Small World. Brought across the way to Peter Pan. All right, Harrison, we got the carpets. Okay, Harrison's gonna make us go up and down. Nana is gonna tilt us back and forth this way. Ready? Don't make me fall out of the carpet, Nana! Do it again, do it again, do it again. Ah! Harrison's making the bounce. Better do it again, do it again, do it again.
Fine, fine.
Oh, now we're tilted way forward. All right, guys, let me catch you up real quick. So after we did carpets, we went to eat dinner or lunch at Pinocchio's house. We had some flatbread, and then we just came back to the room for a couple of hours. Kids got a nap in, and then quick wardrobe change because we're all pretty smelly. So, anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog there. So that'll be part one of our day today. I figured you guys didn't want to have a 20-minute video to watch, so stay tuned for part two, which we're going to start here. We're going back. We've got Be Our Guest, and we've already got some genie rides already set up. So anyways, that's going to do it. So stay tuned for part number two coming up next. For now, you guys have a magical day. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.